France's controversial vaccine pass bill. The bill had angered anti vaccination activists, and some people even came forward saying they had faced aggression, including violent threats and vandalism. French MPs on Thursday approved a controversial vaccine pass bill which requires people to be fully vaccinated to be a part of social gatherings, sporting, leisure, and cultural activities. The bill was passed by 214 votes against 93 and 27 abstentions. For a bill to pass in the French parliament, it requires at least 157 MPs to vote for it. What is the bill? The bill requires people to be fully vaccinated to access leisure activities, restaurants and drinking establishments, fair seminars and trade shows, as well as in inter-regional transport, along with cinema halls, theaters, musicians, museums, and other public places. France earlier required people to show a health pass to enter public places and access public life, but with the bill, it has moved to replace the health pass with a vaccination pass. The major difference between passe sanitaire health pass and vaccination pass is that the health pass either required people to be fully vaccinated or required those over the age of 12 to show a negative COVID test to enter public spaces. Right now, vaccination is only compulsory for health workers, but with this bill, it will be necessary for all in the public sphere. In October 2021, as a measure to boost vaccination, the French government had stopped providing free COVID tests for unvaccinated people. Although with this new bill, those above 16 would have to be fully vaccinated to access public places. Exceptions provided the bill are students between the age group of 12 to 16 going for school outings or extracurricular activities, emergencies, and people accompanying and visiting people in social and medico-social services and establishment can show COVID negative certificate or vaccine certificate. The bill also imposes heavy fines on people manufacturing fake vaccine passes and those not imposing the vaccine passes pass law efficiently. As reported by AFP, people holding a fake vaccine pass could face as long as 5 years in jail or fine of 75,000 euros. The bill also moves to fine employers whose carelessness to follow the requirements of the new law affects employees. The maximum amount of the fine is 1000 euros and can be applied as many times as there are workers affected by the breach. The total amount of fine cannot exceed 50,000 euros. The bill states to protect the population without having to resort to generalized restrictive measures and in a context where vaccination is the tool for lasting control of the virus. The government intends to strengthen the existing tools for managing the health crisis by replacing health pass in a force for a vaccination pass and by further strengthening the measures to fight against fraud. What is the controversy around the bill? The bill had angered anti vaccination activists, and some people even came forward saying they had faced aggression, including violent threats and vandalism. El Brown pivot on the ruling party in France, La République en Marche, told the parliament earlier, "We will not yield," referring to the death threats that many politicians had received. As reported by The Guardian last week, the garage of a ruling party lawmaker was set on fire along with graffiti on an adjacent wall by suspected anti-vaccination activists. La République en Marche took to Twitter to talk about the death threats that she was receiving. She wrote, "Whatever one thinks, these death threats are unacceptable and will be punished. It is obviously worth repeating. The battle we are waging is the one against the COVID and in no way an attack on freedom. Democracy is stronger than the showers of hate." Many in the parliament have also opposed the bill, including left lawmakers Jean-Luc Mélenchon, who said the bill would allow IDs to be checked everywhere by not just police but other citizens too. He further added that this would lead to totalitarian authoritarian society. What has French President Emmanuel Macron said about unvaccinated people? Emmanuel Macron, in an interview with Le Parisien newspaper, said that he wanted to piss off unvaccinated people. These remarks brought huge condemnation from the opposition months before the next presidential election. The unvaccinated ideally want to piss them off, and so we are going to continue doing so until the end. That's the strategy, he said on Tuesday. I won't send the unvaccinated to prison. I won't vaccinate my force. So we need to tell them from January 15, you won't be able to go to restaurant anymore. You won't be able to be down one, won't be able to have a coffee, go to the theater, the cinema, Macron had added. He had been said that Macron was trying to appease the vaccinated French citizens and play up the majority's disappointment against the unvaccinated in the country. France has one of the most vaccinated citizens in Europe. The country has vaccinated 90% of its citizens over the age of 12 years. Macron, in an interview, had said the only way to reduce this minority of unvaccinated citizens is by pissing them off. As reported by Reuters, he had also called unvaccinated people irresponsible and unworthy of being called citizens. Thank you.